Welcome guys, today I am with iPhone and JBL Flip 3 and I'm going to show you how we can connect these two devices. So the first you have to grab this speaker and you have to power it on. So you have to click once on this button. When this indicator is up, and this one also, it means that the speaker is turned on. Another step, you have to click on this Bluetooth button once, and this button will turn to the blinking mode. It will blink on the blue. It means that right now this device is in the pairing mode and is visible to other devices. So just put it back, and all you have to do right now, just go for the settings on your iPhone, open the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then on the other devices you will find JBL Flip 3. So you have to tap on it once, and as you can see, after a few seconds our status has changed. Right now we are successfully connected. When you click on this information icon, you can, for example, rename the speaker, change the device type, or disconnect and forget device from your iPhone. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.